Hey guys, today I am going to review Top 5 Best Digital Multimeter. Number 1. UNI T Utah 61B plus Utah 61E plus Utah 61D plus Smart Professional Digital Multimeter. The Smart Professional Digital Multimeter is an advanced tool engineered for precision and reliability in electrical testing. Ideal for engineers, technicians, and hobbyists, it offers accurate readings for voltage, current, resistance, and more. Featuring auto-ranging, a high-resolution LCD screen, and robust safety protections, this multimeter ensures professional-grade performance in a compact design. Number 2. BSIDE S10/S11 Digital Smart Multimeter. The S11 Digital Smart Multimeter combines ease of use with intelligent measurement capabilities. With smart detection for AC/DC voltage, continuity, and resistance, it's perfect for quick diagnostics and home repairs. The slim body, large backlit display, and non-contact voltage detection (NCV) make this tool convenient and safe for both beginners and professionals. Number 3. FNIRSI-2C53P Touchscreen Portable Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. This 2-in-1 portable digital oscilloscope multimeter is designed for field engineers and electronics enthusiasts who need both multimeter functions and waveform analysis in a single device. With a high sampling rate, real-time display, and full multimeter functionality. Number 4. HoldPeak HP770HC Digital Multimeter. The 770HC Digital Multimeter offers reliable performance with enhanced measurement accuracy and durability. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it supports a wide range of functions including capacitance, frequency, temperature, and duty cycle. With a rugged case, bright screen, and overload protection, the 770HC is built for tough environments and demanding users. Number 5. USB Charging Smart Digital Multimeter. Never worry about batteries again with the USB Charging Smart Digital Multimeter. Combining modern convenience with accurate measurement, this device supports USB charging, smart auto mode selection, and a clear digital interface. Ideal for daily troubleshooting and professional use, it offers seamless operation with real-time updates and smart overload protection.